How to sign up Keybank online banking account. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to sign up Keybank online banking account. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch any web browser on your device like Chrome, Safari, Firefox or any of those available on your device. Let's open and launch Google Chrome. Click the search bar at top of the screen and type in the URL www.keybank.com. Now press enter on the keyboard. After that, you will land on the official interface of Keybank. Simply click on reload and then wait patiently until you reach on the section. So once you reach on the official interface of Keybank online banking, simply you will see enroll in online banking button. Click on it. After that, you'll get access to the section where you have to go through the 4 steps, that is entering your personal info, agreements, create credentials and identity verifications. So here you need to start with the kind of account you want to enroll, whether it's personal or the business account. Then click the next button at bottom right corner of the screen. Here you need to enter your SSN or personal TIN, and then here you have to choose would you like to use an ATM or debit card number and PIN, or your account or credit card number, and then enter your email address. Once you have filled in all the information, click the next button and then you have to go through this 3 steps altogether, and then after that you can easily create or sign up into Keybank online banking. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.